Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word inadvisable, its meaning, definition and the example. Inadvisable. The definition of inadvisable is likely to have unfortunate consequences, unwise. The synonyms of inadvisable are inappropriate, unwise, stupid, foolish. Now let me show the example of inadvisable word in sentences are: in such circumstances, diving out of the way is probably inadvisable. It was thought highly inadvisable for young women to go there alone. Strident, overbearing leadership is inadvisable in this political culture. Another group felt that it was inadvisable to change horses in midstream. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.